The Passion Green ArmorAir Case continues to captivate with its striking color palette of fiery red, serene blue, and dynamic green. My name is Maddie, and today I want to review and unbox this case from Benks. Also, with the link in the description, you can get the case with 15% discount. Let's start. This bold design makes a definitive visual statement, embodying the brand's ethos of green for a game. Passion in every move, ideal for those who seek a fun accessory that mirrors their energetic and vibrant lifestyle. This case combines style with substance. Crafted from 150OD kevlar fiber, polycarbonate, and aluminum alloy, the ArmorAir case provides exceptional protection while remaining remarkably lightweight. Kevlar fiber is renowned for its strength and durability, offering a military defense against drops and impacts. The Passion Green ArmorAir case from Benks is designed with an elevated frame around the camera lenses to safeguard them from scratches and damage. This thoughtful design ensures that your phone remains ready for flawless photography without the risk of lens damage when placed on surfaces. The case MagSafe compatibility allows for effortless charging of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The integrated magnet ensures perfect alignment with MagSafe chargers. So thickness 1.6 millimeters, offering a slim profile without compromising on protection. Weight 32.3 grams, providing a lightweight feel despite the rugged materials. What's inside the box? Phone case, phone grip, and fridge magnet, which I love it. So pros and cons. For pros: superior protection, pristine camera lenses, MagSafe compatible, lightweight and slim. The premium materials and limited edition nature may result in a higher price point compared to standard cases. So another one I think is bold design. The vibrant color scheme may not appeal to those preferring a more minimalist aesthetic, but for me it's just perfect. And the last one, limited. Only 500 sets. Thanks, we need more. The Passion Green ArmorAir case for iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers a compelling blend of style, functionality, and protection. Its 150OD kevlar fiber construction ensures top-tier durability, while the elevated camera frame and MagSafe compatibility enhance practicality. The inclusion of additional features like the phone grip and fridge magnet combined with its limited edition status offers exceptional value. For those seeking a unique, durable, and stylish phone case, the Passion Green ArmorAir case stands out as a premium choice. Let's take a look at unboxing of this case.